Hey, I'm John Cannell, and today on Preppy Kitchen, we're making an easy, delicious blackberry cobbler. So let's get started. First off, set your oven to 350 so it's nice and hot, and now in a large bowl, we're gonna combine all the ingredients, starting with the self-rising flour, 1.5 cups, 180 grams. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can use all-purpose flour and just add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. To sweeten it up, 1 cup or 200 grams of granulated sugar. Grab a whisk and just give it a good mix. Now we can stir in 1 cup of whole milk, if you can make pancake batter, you can make a cobbler. This is like the easiest recipe, and it's a must make when you have fresh, beautiful fruit hanging around. When my mom wanted like a quick treat in the evening, she would often just make a cobbler, just like that. For some extra flavor, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And now we're adding 1/2 cup or 113 grams of melted butter. Stir that in. Cobblers have been around forever. And once baking powder came around in the 19th century, there was no stopping bakers. They were gonna make these cobblers nonstop. Okay, set this aside. And now in the large bowl, I have 3 cups of beautiful fresh blackberries. That's 510 grams. And if you wanted, these could be frozen, but not thawed. So work straight from frozen. Sprinkle 1/2 cup of granulated sugar right over those blackberries. Give it a little mix. Set that aside, and now I have an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Just gonna butter it lightly. So it's almost optional, but a little extra butter never hurts. You just want everything to release easily. Pour the batter right into your baking dish. This is something I would make when blackberries are beautiful and sweet, just like they are now. Not when they're those beautiful but sour monstrosities they sell during the wintertime. That's when you want to use frozen blackberries. Frozen at peak sweetness. Grab your sugared berries and scatter them like a handful at a time over the top. As this bakes up, the batter will encase your blackberries. By the way, if you like my videos, hit that subscribe button. 2 new recipes every single week. You're gonna have some extra sugar hanging out. Don't worry. That can get sprinkled over the top. It'll give you kind of like a nice crackly finish. That looks lovely. My cobbler is ready to go into the oven 1 hour at 350 until it's golden and bubbling. Grab a big scoop of ice cream to serve. Dig in, serve with ice cream, and just like that, your blackberry cobbler is ready to enjoy. When blackberries are in season, this is hard to beat. Ripe, flavorful, juicy fruit with that light golden cobbler and vanilla ice cream. Who could say no? I hope you get a chance to make this delicious recipe, and if you like my videos, hit that subscribe button and check out my summer playlist.